Can't decide between a shower and a bathtub? Why not both in one smart, simple design? A walk-in shower for quick mornings, and a freestanding tube for relaxing moments. This layout gives you flexibility without sacrificing space. The open shower keeps the room feeling spacious, while the tub adds a touch of comfort and elegance. And this is where it all began, an empty space, waiting to be transformed. The walls were bare, the floor unfinished, and nothing was in place yet. But no bathroom is complete without proper waterproofing, and that's where we begin. The client had a very clear vision of the final result. And since she wanted a walk-in shower, I started by shaping the floor with screed. If you want to see exactly how to do it, take a look at this. The goal was to build a space that's not only elegant and bright, but also easy to maintain on a daily basis. Now it's time to lay the tiles. Once again, the client had a very clear idea of the layout, and I completely agree with her choice. The herringbone pattern not only makes the room look bigger, but also adds a touch of elegance and movement to the floor. It catches the eye, breaks the monotony, and gives the entire space a more refined, custom look. It's a perfect example of how a well-thought-out design can make a big difference even in a small area. Time to start on the walls. As you can see, she chose a completely different layout from the floor pattern. The contrast between the two creates a balanced visual effect, which brings a sense of order and calm, while the floor stays bold and dynamic. Now that you've seen a bit of the process, let's keep going. At this stage, I'm tiling around the shower drain. It's important to keep the same pattern all the way through, even in tricky areas like this. I use a board to mark the cuts, a simple trick to keep things clean and consistent. Still watching? Nice! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When the wall and floor patterns are very different, The best choice is not to introduce too many styles. That's why I'm continuing with the same wall pattern around the bathtub, to keep everything cohesive and balanced. This process protects the tiles from moisture and stains and makes cleaning easier. A simple step that really extends the life of the surface, especially in a bathroom where water and humidity are constant. Sealing the gaps, floor grouting. I chose a color that matches the tones of the tile, not too dark, not too light, so it blends in nicely while still defining the herringbone pattern. I work in small sections, then wipe off the excess with a damp sponge before it dries. This keeps the surface clean and helps avoid haze. And now, final wall, the vanity area. For consistency, we're tiling the vanity area with the same wall pattern. If you like this project, you'll probably enjoy these too. Let's take a final look at the before and after. What started as an empty, unfinished space is now a fully renovated bathroom, with a walk-in shower, a freestanding bathtub, clean wall tiles, sealed floors, and all the details that make it both functional and beautiful. Planning a renovation can be a big step, We hope this gave you some clarity. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and follow for more real projects like this one. Thanks for watching.